Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you my exact kit which I use when I'm traveling or on location and I'm shooting videos. As many of you know that I shoot a fair amount of videos, so I want to travel very light. Now in my past profession, I used to be a professional photographer and I've got every camera, lens, kit you can imagine. The problem was it used to give me backache, neckache, traveling with heavy equipment. It wasn't fun. And now, especially with all the restrictions on the planes and stuff like that, you want to be very portable. So I'm going to start with each item and then tell you what they do and why I use them. So the big items over here is obviously I've got my MacBook Air and my iPad. So these two obviously we need to have for work and video editing and all sorts. So I'm going to put them onto one side. Got my phone, coffee mug and a water bottle always go with me. This is quite handy because especially when you're in a hotel and you want to listen to some music. This is from B&O, and you can get these portable Bluetooth speakers very cheaply, but they're very portable and I really like this one. For my video kit, I mostly use Rode equipment because I absolutely love them. I've tried lots and lots of cheap wireless stuff from Amazon and they don't work. Although this is a little bit more dear, it does work time after time and it never lets me down. So this is the case in which these three little two transmitters and one receiver reside in there. Two of them I'm using. One is on the camera and one is over here, which is somewhere in my pocket. There you go. So it's very portable and discreet as well. I've got these, you can either clip it like that, which I don't like because it's too big, but you can get all these wide lapel mics, which you can put it on your t-shirt or shirt and it works wonderfully well. So I've got two of these, one in black wide and one with a white one. So on a white t-shirt, the white one is very discreet. Put these away. Then I've got the gimbal. I pretty much used DJI stuff for all my gimbal stuff. It works wonderfully well. I've been using DJI stuff for a long time. The phone gets clamped up over here. This is not a tutorial on how to use a gimbal, but I'm just going to show you what I'm using when I travel. So as you can see, most of these items are very portable. Then I've got 1.5 million all kinds of cables in there. USB-Cs, lightning cable, you name it, it's all in here in this little case from Low Pro. So that's quite good. Then I've got all my SD cards in there. This is a little case for that. My Beats earpods, portable light if I need to get a bit of lighting. I think the batteries have run out. Yes, they have. I left it open. So this is quite portable actually, and it has got all these filters. If I need a bit of warm light, I can put this filter on, or I can change it around like that. So that one will diffuse the light, so it's not harsh on you, and it softens the light quite a bit. So I quite like this one. This is just a little clamp. So if I want to clamp a iPhone on my tripod, so if I've got a camera shooting me and where's my microphone falling down? If I need a two camera setup, so I'll use my Lumix, which I'm shooting with, and then I can attach my iPhone on here, so you just need a little bracket for that, and then the iPhone pretty much goes kind of like that. There you go. Right, so then you can tighten up however you want and clamp it onto any object or edge of the desk or anywhere you want. I think I've covered pretty much everything. What I also travel with, and I don't have it over here right now, are these portable chargers, because when I'm shooting with my iPhone, the battery runs out quite fast. So you have these MagSafe chargers, which are quite handy to have, to keep always 2 or 3 in my bag. So this is my mobile portable kit with which I shoot videos. Now, if you are starting to think about video marketing and how to create videos, don't overthink it. I know there's quite a few bits and pieces of equipment over here, but I've collected them over the years. When I started shooting videos, I just had my iPhone. So the 2 pieces of kit which you must have when you're shooting videos is your mobile phone. So every mobile phone nowadays shoots HD quality and above. You need a microphone. Don't use the internal mic of the phone. It's not very good quality. And then you need a little bit of light. If you are shooting on location, sometimes it's not the right light. So you can be very portable with something like that. And that's it pretty much. A phone, microphone. If you can't afford these wireless setup, then just get a lapel one, plug it into your mobile phone. It's going to cost you about $10 or so. The point is that you got to get started with video marketing because it is the quickest, easiest, fastest, and the most economical way to build your brand and trust. And then you're going to see how the leads come in who are ready to buy from you because they know you, they like you, and they trust you. So hope you enjoyed this. If you have got your own kit, then please do share it with me in the comments below. Or if you recommend any other piece of equipment which I missed over here, then put them in the comments box below. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next one.